Hello guys, thank you for stopping by today. This is Kitchen Discovery. Thank you for subscribing, and if today is your first time clicking on this channel, please don't hesitate please to subscribe and follow us for more recipes. By the grace of God, this is one channel you will not regret subscribing or staying by. So today I'm taking you step by step guide on how to make your peanut for business purposes. This is my second video on peanut burger. This one is specifically for business. The other one I made was with egg, milk and all that, but this one is purely for business, the one that can stay for a long time without spoiling, even though there is no preservative inside. I started by picking up my groundnuts, making sure there is no broken ones, no dirt, so that your customers will not be eating bad groundnuts. After which you transfer inside a bowl, add enough salt inside, then pour in a boiling water. Make sure the water is very hot. Cover it to stay for like 30 minutes to 1 hour, so that the salt will infuse inside and to bring out the taste, and the groundnut also will be kind of done for eating. After 30 minutes, sieve out the water. You can sun it, but I decided to make it quick by putting it inside my oven to quickly dry up the water. I was actually in a hurry that day. You can decide to put it on the sun to dry up. While our groundnut is drying up, let's quickly mix our ingredients. You can find the list of my ingredients in the description box. Mix the wet ingredients together and mix the dry ingredients together. You find the list of the ingredients I used and their measurement in the description box. Quickly ask questions in case you are kind of confused in any way. I will be there to answer all your questions. For this recipe, I will be coating with only water and sugar. You can add salt inside or add salt inside your flour. When adding salt, don't add too much. Remember, we always soak with plenty salt so that it will not be too much. I know you'll be wondering if this small solution is what I'm going to use for all the groundnuts. I mixed 2 times. Yes, I mixed 2 times or 3 times or more, depending on the quantity you are making. Even if you have 1 drum order, if you follow it like this, you get the same taste of peanuts, the same quality for all your peanuts. Depending on the size of your bowl and your strength, I coat small so that I will be able to coat it the same way, the same uniform. It's not really easy to coat. When you are doing the business, you will understand. So I do it gradually, so that even if I'm coating 1 drum, I will be able to get the same thing. I do coat for 4 to 5 times. My dear friends, I will not lie to you, there's money in peanut business. It can start from the comfort of your home and start cashing out. You can decide to start from schools, churches, supermarkets around you. You can be supplying to them. It's a very lucrative business, my friend. I assure you that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button so that you will be able to know when next we are posting new videos. Thank you. Make sure you watch everything to the end so that you will not miss out the important point for this recipe. After coating, pour it in your sieve out the excess flour from your coated peanut. Fry in a hot oil, but not really too hot. Try your oil with few peanuts before putting the main peanuts. Don't overcrowd your oil. Fry bit by bit until you are done frying everything. That's basically how it is, my dear. Your peanut butter is ready. I wish you good luck.